Come on. It was finally time to let the rebrand that we started a year and a half ago affect every single one of our product lines. So everything could have that consistent look that we talked about. I'm going to be honest and say I had a personal beef with just the look of Canine Health. I really wanted a more proprietary name, first of all, and the label itself looked pretty generic to me and really different, radically different than the rest of our product lines.
We wanted to take that design and really bring it into the LifeVantage family. And as we looked at what is now Petandim and what is Canine Health, I think we really found the way that we want to be able to convey the power of the product that's in there. I have a dog, her name is Riley. She's 14 years old, which is quite old for a yellow lab. She's been on Petandim for about a year, and I've seen a huge difference in her coat, in her playfulness. She used to sit at the door and want to come out for a walk, want to go running and playing, but her body couldn't keep up. Now I've seen a marked difference. It's like getting my old dog back.
The new things that we're telling about this product is what's inside is what counts. The insides have not changed. It has the same Nrf2 formula, and the outside is what we wanted to tell everyone about.
We wanted to tie the product brand to Protandim as tightly as we could without making confusion between the product that humans take and the product that's for pets. The other visual decisions that we made, we wanted to support the visual brand that we actually just launched. So we wanted the new logo marks in there. We wanted to really tie into the blue family of colors that is becoming uniquely LifeVantage. The main font that we've been using has been called Proxima Nova. They actually happen to have a cut of the font that has rounded edges, which we think gives it just a touch of playfulness that played really well for a pet-related brand like Petandim.
There's a fur texture that just incorporates that it's for our furry family members.
Having the graphic representation of the bone right here is the quickest way to read dog. It ended up being a nice little detail.
We want to focus on healthier dogs, on happy dogs, on shinier coats for dogs, and Petandim does that.
I really believe in the idea of helping our dogs fight oxidative stress just like we do.
The tablet in Petandim is the same ingredients as Protandim Nrf2. We've added joint support ingredients like glucosamine, omega-3s, and collagen. Those ingredients will affect the dogs differently in that it helps them with their sleep and their energy levels and also their house training.
Not only do we call the brand Petandim for dogs, but right on the front label, which we call the principal display panel, it says from the makers of Protandim. So if there was any doubt with a product name called Petandim, we actually put the word Protandim on the front there. Our Protandim brand is a powerful one, and we want to be able to use that to its fullest advantage.
We will constantly be researching, constantly be learning, constantly be finding the next way that nutrigenomics can bless the lives of the individuals who take it. And Petandim is the perfect example of that.
Chloe loves the product. She thinks it's her treat. So after every walk, she goes running into the kitchen, really excited to get her Petandim. And we love giving it to her. I think it's clear that pets have a lot to do with our happiness. And so anything that we can do to add to the health of the entire family, including our dogs, I think is going to be a good thing.